All right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. So I'm starting a new series until the end of 2025. We're going to call it No Chains, No Gains. My body, specifically my left bicep tendon and shoulder, and then my right hip have been a bit beat up. So starting to run accommodating resistance to allow them to heal. A little bit lighter in the most stretched position, the most compromised position, and then heavier at lockout. So I'm going to run accommodating resistance until the new year, and we're going to see how strong I can get with accommodating resistance, and then we're going to compare that to my maxes post-cut. So I've got my heaviest squat of my life this fall at 415 pounds for a single. My heaviest deadlift of my life at 450 pounds. And after the cut my bench, I got 286 was the heaviest that I've hit. Hit 291.5 in the spring. So we're going to see in January if we can beat all those numbers after focusing on accommodating resistance. So my goal of this squat workout was to figure out where my max is with accommodating resistance. I figured I'd be close to 350 to 360 pounds straight weight, plus the chains, the way they're loaded, are about 80 pounds at the top. So managed to get 365 here, which exceeded my expectations, so I was really happy with that. Next up, I went for 376. And you'll see here, I just couldn't, as the chain started to load, I just couldn't get out of the hole on that one. But it's a good chance 370 was there, but for now, 365 is the max. We'll use that as my starting point for figuring out numbers for next week's workout. After that, we're back to leg press. So it's been a few weeks since I've gone heavy on leg press, trying to give my hip a break. So I started off 675, worked my way up to 675 for 8. Last week I went for 795 for 5 because I had worked up to 785 for 3 sets of 5, and 795 just wasn't there. I got a sets of 3, which I wasn't happy with, so we're just going to start back down at 725 for 5, work my way up, and the goal again is just to get up firstly over 800 pounds for sets of 5, and then just keep building from there. We may go to triples or doubles after that. We will see, but I want to push the sets of 5 as far as I can. Currently, kind of the best I've done since I got this leg press. I managed to get 805 pounds for a set of 3. That was the end of last winter when I was up around 195 pounds body weight. Lately I've been hovering between 179 and 181 pounds body weight. I want to keep my body weight under 185 until January. Then we'll retest my strength under 185. And then from there, depending on how my body feels, will kind of dictate what I do next. If my body's feeling in a really good spot, then I may just bulk hard and go for a 1,200 pound total. If my body's just still feeling beat up, then we'll figure out what to do next. But I don't want to overthink it. I just want to try to get healthy and get as strong as I can at the same time. I still have aspirations of hitting a 500 pound deadlift before I turn 50. I'd love to hit a 440 pound squat. Bench press is just so much depends on how this left arm responds, but still would really like to get up over a 300 pound bench press. And I'd love to do all that below 200 pounds body weight, but we'll see how it goes. If I can get everything feeling good and healthy and strong, and I need to get up to like 205 to get some goals, then the decision will be made at that time if I want to get that heavy or not. I don't know, I got only so many more years of doing sort of like big cuts and big bulks. Not sure I want to continue doing that after 50. Probably at that point I would just love to maintain a body weight around 185 pounds, but yeah, time will tell. We'll see where it goes. As far as the rest of the training in this video, we went back to hack squats. I don't think hack squats are actually going to help me at all with my depth on squats or being strong out of that bottom position. But what I do find is nothing lights up my quads like hack squats do. They always hurt like crazy for the next day after. So we're bringing back the hack squats and then finished up with some leg curls and leg extensions. I always find that combo is just a great way to finish off a leg workout, just to get a ton of blood into my quads and my hamstrings, kickstart recovery, and start getting ready for speed day. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.